2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you? Almost. How old are you now?
Happy birthday to Carmelinda.
Happy birthday, Amanda. That's that. Happy birthday, woo woo. Happy woo woo. Amen.
Pete, do you want to have a special birthday message?
Happy birthday to you. How many weeks is your birthday? I love you so much.